Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on this beautiful gele that I saw on Instagram. So I decided let me use an old gele to tie this style. So if you have any old gele at home that is Asooke, you can achieve it with this style, and if you have any new Asooke also, you can achieve it with this style. So this is the gele, guys. The joining of the gele is just 3 lines. The joining of the gele is 3 lines. If you have a very soft gele, you can achieve this style, and if you have strong one also, you can also achieve it with this style. So at that front there, I'm like creating like V there. So now I'm bringing the other one hand now back to the front, placing it on top of the first one like so. Then I'm creating plates also. So if you want to see a DIY of this gele, do let me know at the comment section below. Do let me know. So now I want to use office pin to pin that area there. So I'm still using office pin. So now start creating like ruffles there. So this style is very easy, guys. The gele tutorial is very simple. So now I'm creating like ruffles there. So if you are using your office pin, be careful not to hurt your model or your clients. Be very careful. So I'm still creating ruffles there, guys. You can create as much ruffles as you want. Still creating it. Just take your time, guys. You will achieve it. You can achieve it. The gele is not hard at all. All you need is office pen. You need enough office pen for it. So I'm still like using office pen there. Still using office pen. Like so. Just take your time, guys. And be careful not to hurt your model or your clients. So after that now, the excess hand, I'm folding it in. Then use office pen to pin it down there, and that is it. So you can see the gele is very easy, guys. It will not take you more than like 10 minutes to tie. More than 10 minutes. So that is it. I want to like try and adjust that place. I wanted to leave it like this, but I later pin it down. I do not leave it like this, so I later pin that side down. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share my video with your loved ones, and I'll talk to you in the next one. I love you guys. So as you can see, I later pin that side down because I feel that it bring out more beauty than me leaving it that way. So please don't forget to also follow me on my Instagram page. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.